I'm Rebecca, and I'm going to be working with you guys today with opening your voice. And that could be just simply saying your name. It could be simply making sound. It might be even just breath. It might be getting up and singing on a microphone today. Who knows? We'll see what happens.
What you love to do, something holds you back from making them come. Every one of us has a story. So every one of us comes from somewhere. We go through things, and it brought us to this moment. Comes your way, or you can open up your heart.
And I was homeless for a number of years. So for me, that's part of my story. But what I'm prompting you to write on is a sense of place.
Ladies and gentlemen, please make welcome to the stage, Farina. It's really different up there, isn't it, when you're in front of everybody and everyone's really giving you their attention.
Yeah. Let me tell you my story. Nimezaliwa Mtwara, Tanzania. Uko kijijini Chitohori. Hapa mjini nimezamia. Ndoto zilikuwa kucheza bori. Hata kunifariji sina, ni kwa moyo